Someone across the room yawns, and now you're yawning too. Why?
It's not about being tired, it's about connection.
Yawning is linked to mirror neurons in your brain, the cells that help you empathize and mimic others. Seeing someone yawn triggers your brain to sync up, like a subconscious me too. It's most contagious among close friends and family, which shows it's tied to emotional bonding. So next time you catch a yawn, blame your brain's need to connect. For more science behind social instincts, stay tuned to KnowledgeZap.